What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to determine which solid has the smallest molar solubility. So how do we do that? I'm gonna write CaF2, which is solid. It's gonna produce Ca2 plus 2F minus aqueous solution. That's gonna be X. This one is gonna be 2X. So Ksp will be equal to calcium ion times fluoride ion to the power of 2, which will be X times 2X to the power of 2, which is going to be 4X cubed. So 4X cubed equals to 4 times 10 to the power of negative 11. So X cubed is going to be 10 to the power of negative 11. That's gonna X will be 2.15 times 10 to the power of negative 4 mole per liter. That's the molar solubility of the first one. Now for the second one, we do exactly the same thing because the compound is very similar. So Ba 2 plus 2 F minus aqueous Ksp equals to Ba 2 plus F to the power of 2. X times 2X to the power of 2, we have 4X cubed. So 4X cubed equals to 2.4 times 10 to the power of negative 5. So X cubed will be 2.4 times 10 to the power of negative 5 divided by 4. That's going to be 6 times 10 to the power of negative 6 to the power of 1 over 3. It's going to be 0.018 mole per liter. So as you see here, the first one, the molar solubility is much smaller than the second one. So we're going to say that calcium fluoride has the smallest molar solubility comparing these two. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.